built.
We're going to another island eh.
Huh?
We're going to another island.
So may another bridge to?
Another bridge.
Oh. May iba straight.
Yan na yung better beaches. But of course, hindi mo tayo mag-beach.
Oh, we're in the island or islet of Miyagi.
Island. It's bigger.
May bus pa siya. Wow. Ang galing. Grabe oh. Protection sa
Sibol.
wall. Grabe.
Yung typhoon prone. Industrial naman siya, hindi naman siya residential. So,
Taas na yan for kung sobra naman na earthquake yan. Posible pa rin mga ganyan.
earthquake, tidal wave.
Tidal wave pa lang. Galing earthquake sa dagat. Yung sort na tidal
Pwede
wave.
rin.
So after this, yung next island, no? Kinonect
Yeah.
mo, no?
That's the better island daw. Kaso lang yung beach na yan pa-close ng 3 o'clock. So, may isa pang beach, Fisherman's Wharf. It's also free. Parang masarap mag-stay dito. Or the special na lang. So, yan pa dapat gawin mo pag ano, no? Pag tsunami prone, no? Lagyan mo ng ganyan. Pero, papasok pa rin ang water yan. Ay, panless.
Pero paano eh? Balian na yung tsunami niya.
Na-break lang yung ano. Break ang kanyang power.